Happy Friday, everybody. Good day. Today I am going to make me some creamer for my coffee to get my life in order. So I actually stopped into my local food line and got this for $1 today. I was so excited. It was 5 for 5. So keep an eye out for those sales if you have a food line in your area. So what I'm going to do is I normally use like my largest mason jar, but this is actually a pasta sauce jar, and I cleaned it out, and I'm going to use this to store my liquid this week. Now I got this oat milk from the dollar and a quarter store, and I said I tried it before. It came out good, so we're gonna do it again. Now this is all I have. I don't have a vanilla or anything today, and this is going to have to do because I am going to get me a decent cup out of this. So what I want to do is, mix these together. A lot of people like to heat theirs and get it mixed, and you do whatever that works for you. But this is what I'm going to do today. Okay. So now that I have that mixed, I already had my water boiling in my tea kettle because I am going to use instant coffee because that's the type of morning it is. I don't really feel like waiting, not like that. So you measure it with your eyeballs. I'm going to measure mine with my heart. You judge your mammy. All right, so once I get that in there, I'm going to go ahead and add me some of my water. And it's hot, y'all. It's hot. It's hot, 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 hot. Okay, we're going to mix that in there. Won't, 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 won't. Won't, 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 won't. And we're going to mix some more in there because I know it's going to be nice and bold like me. But anyway, add that cream. Boom, 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 boom. And I'm done, girl. Got me a good cup of coffee. So now I'm going to start my other projects. For today, I'm going to do some canning and some things around the house. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Be blessed. Be safe. Okay. Bye, y'all.